In this video, we will see how to test internet speed on Mac. This video is for MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac and Mini Mac. So let's get started. Open your browser and search for internet speed test. You will get the first result and click on the button Run Speed Test. First, it will show you your download speed and later it will calculate your upload speed. So this is the download speed and now it is calculating the upload speed. Now it is showing that your internet connection is very fast. So in this way you can also test your internet speed on any browser. If you find the video helpful, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.